Imagine a world where the rules of biology are completely rewritten. A world where life exists not as we know it, but as something entirely alien, built on elements we can barely comprehend, thriving in environments that would be deadly to us. What if alien diseases could infect humans, or we could find ourselves needing an entirely new kind of medicine to survive the cosmos? As we venture deeper into space and prepare for the possibility of encountering extraterrestrial life, one thing becomes certain: the future of health and medicine might be just as alien as the worlds we're exploring. Welcome to the science of alien life, where the boundaries of biology and medicine are pushed to their absolute limits. The science of alien life, health, and medicine. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars, asking a fundamental question: are we alone in the universe? We've explored the distant reaches of space with telescopes, probes, and rovers, but one of the most profound mysteries remains unsolved. Is there other life out there? And if so, what could it look like? But our curiosity doesn't stop at discovering alien life. We want to understand it, interact with it, and perhaps more importantly, protect ourselves from it. In this vast, unknown universe, could alien diseases exist? And if we were to encounter them, how could we safeguard ourselves? The intersection of astrobiology and medicine is a fascinating one, filled with both scientific possibilities and chilling unknowns. The basics of life beyond Earth. Before we dive into the complexities of alien health and medicine, it's important to understand how life, as we know it, could evolve in environments radically different from Earth's. The search for alien life often revolves around the concept of habitability. Life on Earth depends on three essential ingredients: liquid water, a stable atmosphere, and an energy source, typically from the sun. However, scientists have started to think beyond these limits and ask, could life exist in environments where these conditions aren't present? In the search for alien life, one of the most promising locations is the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Enceladus. Both moons harbor subsurface oceans beneath layers of ice, and scientists believe that microbial life could exist in these water-rich environments, even though they're far from Earth-like. But what if life existed in places where water wasn't available? Consider Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Its surface is covered in lakes and seas of liquid methane and ethane. While this might seem inhospitable to life as we know it, researchers have speculated that methane-based life forms could thrive there. Methane, rather than water, could be the solvent that supports life. But instead of carbon-based molecules, Titan's life might be built from silicon-based molecules, which could tolerate extreme cold temperatures. Such life would look nothing like the organisms we see here on Earth, and their biology would function on an entirely different set of rules. This notion of alternative biochemistries is one of the most exciting, yet challenging, ideas in astrobiology. Could life forms on these distant worlds evolve immune systems capable of protecting them from alien pathogens? Or would their diseases evolve to be completely alien to us? Understanding these fundamental biological processes is key to developing medical strategies for alien environments. Alien pathogens, a new frontier for human health. Once we acknowledge the possibility of alien life, the next question that arises is, what could an alien pathogen look like? After all, every biological organism, from bacteria to complex multicellular life, carries with it the potential for diseases that can threaten its survival. If extraterrestrial life forms exist, we would need to be ready for the reality that these organisms may not just be friendly neighbors but could pose a risk to our health. We are already familiar with pathogens here on Earth: viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites, each with its own method of invasion and ability to evade our immune system. What if alien diseases didn't follow the same patterns? It's entirely possible that pathogens from another world could invade our cells in ways we could never predict. Their molecular structures might be so vastly different from anything on Earth that our immune system wouldn't recognize them as a threat, leaving us vulnerable to infection. One potential risk is the interaction between Earth life and alien microbes. For example, if astronauts were to land on a planet with alien microbes, their immune systems might not know how to respond, leading to potentially catastrophic consequences. To counteract such risks, future space missions might need to carry specialized medical kits designed to deal with extraterrestrial pathogens. Scientists are already looking into methods for isolating astronauts from potential alien microbes, such as the development of biosuits and quarantine protocols. On the flip side, human exposure to alien environments might also pose health risks from radiation, extreme temperatures, and gravity differences. Space travel itself takes a toll on the human body, with long-term exposure to microgravity causing muscle atrophy, bone loss, and other physiological issues. As we venture further into space, scientists are looking at ways to protect human health, not only from the potential of alien diseases but also from the environmental stressors of space itself. Space medicine, preparing for the unknown. The field of space medicine has made tremendous strides over the last few decades. On the International Space Station (ISS), astronauts have undergone extensive medical monitoring to understand how the human body reacts to life in space. Changes in bone density, muscle mass, and even the human heart have been studied to develop ways of mitigating the harmful effects of prolonged space travel. But while space medicine has focused heavily on microgravity, future space missions, especially those aimed at exploring distant planets like Mars, will require an even broader set of tools. In preparing for encounters with alien life, future space missions might need to develop new kinds of medical treatments and technologies. For instance, if we do encounter alien life forms that are hostile to human health, a basic understanding of how alien biology works will be essential in developing countermeasures. Researchers could work on synthesizing drugs that can target alien pathogens, much like we do for viruses or bacteria on Earth, but these drugs would need to be adapted to function in radically different biological environments. One of the most advanced areas of space medicine is the development of personalized medicine, treatments that are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. As we prepare for the potential discovery of alien life, personalized medicine could take on new dimensions. Just as we might need to tailor treatments for human astronauts, we could find that different biological systems, whether human, alien, or something in between, may require their own specific treatments. Moreover, advanced medical technologies, such as artificial intelligence and robotic surgery, could become essential tools in space medicine. These technologies would not only assist with the health needs of astronauts but could also be used to diagnose and treat alien diseases on foreign worlds. Future spacecraft may be equipped with self-contained medical facilities, using AI to monitor astronauts' health, conduct remote surgeries, and even analyze alien pathogens. The future of medicine in space. As we continue to push the boundaries of human exploration, the science of alien life and its medical implications will only become more critical. The future of space exploration is inextricably linked with our understanding of health, both human and extraterrestrial. While we have yet to discover alien life, the possibility of encountering it has already spurred significant advancements in both biology and medicine. Whether it's developing protective technologies to safeguard astronauts from alien microbes, advancing space medicine to address the unique challenges of long-term space travel, or crafting treatments for extraterrestrial diseases, humanity is preparing itself for a future where health and medicine are as much about protecting ourselves from the unknown as they are about advancing our understanding of life itself. As we venture into the cosmos, the science of alien life and medicine will ensure we're not only ready to meet new life forms but also to thrive alongside them, no matter how alien they may seem. This story offers a blend of real scientific information about the search for alien life, the challenges of space medicine, and the risks we may face if we encounter extraterrestrial organisms. It presents a balanced view, merging speculation with scientifically grounded possibilities. The ethical considerations, interacting with alien life. As we consider the potential for encountering alien life, a new set of ethical questions arises. How should humanity approach the discovery of extraterrestrial life, especially if it presents a risk to our health or the health of our planet? The ethical implications of such an encounter extend far beyond just the question of medical risks. If alien life exists, it might not always be in a form we can easily understand or interact with. Should we study these life forms, potentially bringing them back to Earth, or should we leave them untouched, respecting their autonomy and ecosystems, much like we strive to do with Earth's own fragile environments? One of the biggest challenges in the field of astrobiology is the planetary protection protocols. These are guidelines that prevent contamination of other planets with Earth life and prevent Earth from being contaminated with alien microbes. While the idea of bringing back samples from alien worlds sounds thrilling, the risk of inadvertently introducing harmful alien pathogens into Earth's ecosystem cannot be underestimated. Even a microscopic organism from another planet could have devastating consequences on our health, crops, or wildlife. Astrobiologists and ethicists are already working together to create protocols that would govern how we interact with alien life, emphasizing caution and responsibility. These protocols are designed not just to protect our own health, but to ensure that we do not unknowingly wipe out alien ecosystems or species through contamination. The dilemma becomes even more complex when considering the possibility that alien life forms might be intelligent. What rights would an intelligent alien species have? Would we treat them with the same respect as we do other sentient beings? Or would their biology and existence be deemed expendable for the sake of scientific discovery? These ethical questions may seem hypothetical now, but the day could come when we must face them head-on. As we prepare for possible contact with alien life, the balance between scientific curiosity and caution will be delicate and must be carefully managed. Understanding the risks, respecting other forms of life, and applying ethical frameworks will be essential in how humanity navigates these future encounters. Humanity's role in a larger universe. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the discovery of alien life, and the development of medical strategies to deal with it, holds a mirror to our own humanity. While the idea of extraterrestrial diseases and alien pathogens is both exciting and terrifying, it also highlights a more fundamental truth. Humanity is not the center of the universe. We are part of a much larger, interconnected cosmos, and our existence is just one of many possibilities in the vast expanse of space. The study of alien life and its potential impact on human health forces us to look inward as much as it pushes us outward. It encourages us to question our understanding of biology, health, and survival, and challenges us to think beyond the confines of our planet. In doing so, we open up new possibilities for the future of medicine, not just for ourselves, but for all life forms that may share this universe with us. Moreover, this exploration reminds us that the unknown is never as distant as it seems. The universe may be full of life forms with their own complex biologies, but at the same time, we are on the cusp of discovering technologies that could revolutionize how we treat disease and ensure the health of future generations. In seeking to understand the potential health threats posed by alien life, we are, in a way, preparing ourselves to meet the unknown with compassion, knowledge, and resilience. Whether in the form of advanced medicines, new biotechnologies, or ethical frameworks, our ability to adapt will define our future as a species, both on Earth and among the stars. The path forward. As we continue to venture into the stars, one thing is certain. The future of medicine will be shaped by the discoveries we make. The more we learn about the potential for alien life, the more we realize that our own health and survival are inextricably linked with the vast unknown. From developing vaccines and treatments to protecting ourselves from new and alien threats, the intersection of space exploration and medicine will play a crucial role in shaping the future of humanity. The next step in this journey lies in space missions that will search for signs of life on distant worlds. Whether it's the upcoming missions to Mars, the exploration of the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, or the study of exoplanets in the habitable zone, each discovery brings us one step closer to answering the question, are we truly alone in the universe? But more importantly, each discovery teaches us how to prepare, not just to understand alien life, but to ensure the survival and health of our species as we move into the great unknown. As we continue our journey into space, let us remember that the future of medicine, like the future of exploration, is filled with both promise and uncertainty. The health challenges we may face as we encounter alien life are as vast and mysterious as the cosmos itself. But with each step forward, we continue to learn, adapt, and prepare for the next great chapter in humanity's exploration of the stars. This extended narrative explores not only the medical aspects of encountering alien life, but also the ethical considerations, potential threats, and the scientific and technological advancements that could shape our understanding of health in space. It reinforces the idea that humanity's survival depends on our ability to adapt to both familiar and unknown biological challenges as we explore the cosmos. Conclusion. The search for alien life is one of humanity's most profound and exciting quests, filled with both hope and uncertainty. As we look toward the stars and the possibility of encountering life beyond Earth, the intersection of science, medicine, and ethics will be crucial in shaping our future. From developing medical technologies to protect ourselves from alien pathogens to ensuring we approach extraterrestrial ecosystems with caution and respect, our exploration of space is as much about understanding our place in the universe as it is about safeguarding our health and survival. As we venture further into the cosmos, the lessons we learn will not only expand our knowledge of biology, but will also challenge our understanding of life itself. The potential discovery of alien life forms and the need for space medicine to protect astronauts and future colonists will push the boundaries of human ingenuity and adaptability. Whether we find life that is similar to ours or radically different, one thing is clear: the universe is full of mysteries, and our health and well-being in this vast, unknown frontier will depend on our ability to adapt, innovate, and act responsibly. Ultimately, the science of alien life and its impact on health and medicine will redefine our understanding of life, biology, and the cosmos. It is a journey into the unknown, one that requires both scientific rigor and ethical reflection. As we continue to reach for the stars, the pursuit of knowledge will not only propel us forward, but will also ensure that we are ready for whatever discoveries and challenges lie ahead. The future of humanity in space is bright, but it will require us to remain vigilant, adaptable, and prepared for anything that may come our way.